Okay, so I've got to expand this. So the first term, so as part A, will be 2 root 2 to the power 4. And then I'm going to have 2 root 2 cubed and one of the root 3's, and that'll be 4c1. And then 4c2, 2 root 2 squared and root 3 squared. And then 4c3, just one 2 root 2, but now we've got 3 of the root 3's, and finally the root 3, all of them, to the power 4. So this equals 2 to the power 4 is 16, times root 2 times root 2 is 2, times another one, and then times another one, that's going to be 4. Plus 4 times 2 cubed is 8, and then root 2 cubed is root 2 times root 2, that's 2, times by root 2 is 2 root 2, times by that root 3, and 4c2 is 6, times 2 squared is 4, times root 2 squared is 2, times by root 3 squared is 3, it's a definition, plus 4c3 is 4, times 2 root 2, times by root 3 cubed. Root 3 times root 3 is 3, and then times by one more root 3 is 3 root 3. And finally, the last bit, root 3 times root 3 is 3, and I've got times by another 2 of them, so 3 times 3 is 9. That equals 64 plus 64 root 6, and then plus 12 times 12 is 144, plus that's 8 times, that's 24 root 6, and finally plus 9. I can simplify this, that equals 217 plus 88 root 6. Done that bit. And now I've got to find the exact value of this to the power 5. Well, I could go and expand it the same sort of process, but what I might as well do, I know what it to the power 4 is, so all I've got to do is take this value, which is what I've just worked out, 217 plus 88 root 6, and times it by just one more of those, so 2 root 2 plus root 3. And it's got to be the exact value, so this comes to, that will be 434 root 2 plus 217 root 3 plus 176 root 12, and then plus 88 root 6 times 3 is 18. I can simplify this down because both the square numbers, 4 goes into that and 9 goes into that, so that is the same as 434 root 2 plus 217 root 3 plus 176 times root 4 times root 3 plus 88 root 9 times root 2. And as always, I put the square number in first. So it's 434 root 2 plus 217 root 3 plus 352 root 3 plus 388's 264 root 2. And so altogether I've got 434 and 264. So that is 698 root 2's, and the rest of them are root 3's, 569 root 3's, and that's the exact value. It's done.